Why you wake up at 5 a.m. The lung and grief in Chinese medicine. It is early morning, 5 a.m. The sky is still dark, but something has woken you. You are not fully anxious, not fully rested, just awake. In Chinese medicine, this moment has meaning. In my previous video, we spoke about 3 a.m. and the liver. Today, we gently move forward to the hours between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., the time of the lung. In traditional Chinese medicine, the lung is not only about breathing. It governs grief, sadness, loss, letting go. If you often wake up around 5 a.m., it may be that something inside you has not been fully released. Not dramatic grief, sometimes just quiet heaviness. Unspoken disappointment, old memories, silent pressure. The lung is delicate, it does not shout, it sighs. In the West, we often think breathing is automatic. But in Chinese philosophy, breath is life. Each inhale is receiving, each exhale is letting go. If you wake at 5 a.m., your body may be asking, what are you still holding? When this happens, sit upright gently. Place one hand on your chest. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth with a soft sigh. Longer exhale than inhale. Imagine the breath clearing morning mist. Do this for 3 minutes. Sometimes sleep returns. Sometimes clarity comes instead. Both are healing. The early morning belongs to the lung. It is the hour of renewal. Perhaps waking at 5 a.m. is not a mistake. Perhaps it is an invitation to release what no longer serves you. If this resonates with you, subscribe to this channel. Each week, we explore the body's hidden messages through ancient Chinese wisdom. This is the Dao of Wellness. Breathe gently, and I will see you again.